up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have finally made it back to Uwharrie National Forest. The last time Brian and I were here, we had the red Tacoma. You remember that?
Oh yeah, a long time ago.
The red Tacoma and your 2-liter Genesis coupe. So we are back. We're starting off, I would say, on the easy trails. This was nothing that you just saw here. But yeah, so we're gonna hit some trails. Hopefully enjoy the drone footage, because who doesn't love drone footage out on the trails like this? But
we'll be really careful with it in the woods. Hopefully it works out.
Yeah. If you're wondering, I did air down today. We're running about 20 PSI. I've had no issues with the truck. I still see people commenting that I went with a wrong setup. I've had no rubbing issues or anything like that for the large tires that I have on the truck, which is nice. And obviously on camera, this isn't gonna look like anything, but we have a nice little uphill through the mud. I'm gonna probably have to catch you up there, Bri, to kind of spot a little bit. There you go. Oh, it's slippery when wet.
You need to air down.
What?
You need to air down.
I know, right? I need better shoes. It rained last night like a thunderstorm, very windy, but trails are looking pretty good. As we watch Brian, you guys watch me, I watch Brian. Hopefully he's probably not in focus there, but what are you doing in the mall crawler, man? This is where the drone comes in handy, because I don't have a steady hand. So, apologize for the shakiness there. Oh, is that real rock crawling? Oh yeah, I'm just kidding. This is nothing crazy yet. How do you like driving?
Better than running.
Yeah, I know, right? So, our first kind of uphill, slippery, rocky obstacle. Again, it's not gonna look like anything crazy on camera, but we got a good little rock bed right here to go through. And then it's a pretty straight shot up. I'm not sure if we're gonna be doing that side or not yet. Probably don't have enough clearance. It has been far too long since we have been off-roading in the truck. And actually the last time we did a real trail was when I kind of nicked the back of the bumper off there. So hopefully today is a more successful day. This is gonna be a little intense. I think I'm gonna take the wheel on this one. Not that I don't trust Brian, but can you hear me? Haha. Look at all these rocks, guys. I mean, I couldn't imagine taking the truck this way. That's pretty steep, and even getting the truck through here, a little bit of an obstacle for sure. I think this is a safe line. We got some jagged rocks right here, this one right here. And this should be a safe line to flat ground and safety. So let's get to it.
We got some big rocks you're about to go over. Your front tire's gonna hit it and bounce over to the left, or the right. Good. You're good to come straight right now. All right. Now, on, stop. You're at a really good point in this rock. You're gonna want to have your whole tire on top of it. So cut.
I do or don't?
You do, or you're gonna like probably hit your rim or something. Yeah. Now go straight from there. Yeah. There you go, keep it coming. Start turning left a little bit though, yeah. All right, hold on. Crank it left so we don't hit this tree.
I don't think we're gonna make it.
I think we might, I think we should be. Just keep coming this way.
That rock right there, take it out of the way and put it behind this rock so my back tire can get up on it.
How are we on that side?
Looking good.
We good?
Yeah. Yeah, we're plenty good on this side. Yep. Perfect. Yep, now just go straight through the trees. Well, I gotta say, I mean, this isn't the hardest stuff in the world, but the Tacoma does so well. You know?
Yep.
Just such a good truck.
Haven't had any issues with anything.
Clearance, we got a good
Except for the bumper.
3-4 inches on everything we're doing.
Oh, this is some thick mud.
A little scraping right there. I don't know if y'all heard it.
Yeah, that would be the cab mount. So, even aired down just a little bit on that. I'm sure at some point I will do that modification, but other than that, there's no rubbing. I don't have any on the upper control arms, and this looks like it's freshly groomed back here.
Yeah, I like this trail. It's tight.
Well maintained.
It's tight, but we're actually going, you know, 5 miles an hour. Which 5 to 10 miles an hour, which is pretty fast.
Yeah.
Hey, there's the grader.
Oh geez, we caught up to it.
He's just going his own way.
Yeah, alright. Come towards me some. Hold on, hold on. Come towards me some. Yep, just keep it slow. Alright, straight up. Hold on. We got the rear tucked as much as possible there. Alright. You're good. Dude, Bri, the exhaust is this close. You're good. We got trailer hitch dragging there. Cool. So yeah, that's two things that I need to work on. High clearance bumper and remove the exhaust tip. As we do some tree crawling now. And he's still just in 4 high, but hopefully you guys can hear on the gas because it is pretty steep here. Nice little woods climb. I'm trying to be as steady as I can.
So on to what looks pretty challenging in person. Again, I don't know how well this is gonna come off on camera, but you can see got quite a lot of rocks in here. Some big contours and whatnot. But you can already see how much lower elevation wise he is compared to where I'm at. But we got quite a lot to climb up. This is about a 3-foot drop right here, and then some big rock ones up there. But honestly, I think this should be pretty straightforward, just kind of coming straight up. Yeah, so stay over there a little bit. Yeah, and I just come straight. I think just straight up. And the tires are wrapping around very nicely, so they're actually protecting the rims from any rubbing or anything like that. There you go. Dude, that was nothing. I just walked right up, and again, it doesn't look at all like it is in real life, the way it looks on camera. Yeah, just stay away from the wall really, but I don't think there's an issue. Dude, that was nothing.
Well, I am in 4 low with the rear locker.
Yeah?
So we're just crawling.
That was nice. But at 20 PSI, the tires are doing a great job just contouring around whatever's on the ground. Hopefully you can see that flex. Yeah, just come straight this way, straight to me. Got some big rocks and a big jagged one there. Yep, just go straight. Yeah, keep coming straight. Alright, you can crank it over here.
This is nothing.
That was a cakewalk, dude.
It looks so intimidating, and then when you're in it, just...
Yeah.
I mean, I went like 2 miles an hour the whole time.
I mean, hopefully it came off even half as intimidating as it is in real life. That was a pretty good
We were
run.
at like 25 degrees the whole time.
25
which, I mean,
degrees,
is like this. So it's
Yeah.
It's not level by any means.
That was pretty good.
So this is like the highlight of our off-roading. We've never been able to go up any rocks or anything like that. So it's a pretty cool trail here. It's actually called Slab Pile, so that makes sense. I think our next goal might be coming up here. I'm not sure if I want to come up this way or kind of bypass it and then connect back up here and go through this little rock bed here. It's like, it looks intimidating like everything else, but we've had no issues so far.
Hopefully you guys can tell the elevation change. I'm walking like 20 feet, it's probably 6 feet high.
Right, you're like 10 feet above me now.
Yeah. So we got some good elevation here. Really just more rocks as we go up. Big rock there, big rock over there. Those are,
yeah,
that might be Jeep stuff.
That's impossible there.
You guys can see how far away he is, like how shorter he is when he was down there. So it's pretty good elevation change. There you go. Well, we're effectively looking at his roof. Pretty sure you just got some air. Well, he is crawling up this. I wish the steepness and angle came off on camera. You can stay way this way. Yeah. Stay perfectly straight, just to avoid that rock.
This thing is, I mean, other than me getting stuck on rocks myself,
This is a cakewalk. This is nothing. You know, in all honesty, this might really be mall crawling because it's that easy. I mean, the Tacoma just conquers anything. Look at that. And again, just to talk about elevation. So with me looking straight down, my eyes are here and he's already up there. And if we go down, that's how far down we were.
man,
Dude, this thing is nothing.
other than getting stuck on that one rock just from momentum, 18s are doing pretty good for not being 17s.
I think we did hit the rim once though.
Yeah. Hey,
Hey, it's just dirt.
well,
A little
yeah.
scratch.
It's okay because I have a surprise coming anyway.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So
Well, good job. That was pretty easy, I guess.
that was very intimidating
Yeah,
from the driver's seat,
but not bad.
but I don't know why it felt more intimidating in the 07. Probably because we were younger and
Yeah.
we didn't have a off-road.
All that did have was like all-terrain tires really in four-wheel drive.
I mean,
This thing's way better.
this is all you need.
Yeah.
I'm glad I didn't do like a 6-inch lift or.
You haven't had any rubbing, like the rock rails have not touched anything.
Yeah.
I mean, trailer hitch a little bit, but
That's different, yeah.
I mean, that's it's a
maybe
truck, you know.
bumper issue at some point.
Yeah.
That might be it for today. We can end on a high note.
Yeah, I think we conquered some
So-
pretty cool obstacles.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, finally getting out to Uwharrie. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video on the Tacoma. We have plenty more videos coming. Some other modifications are on the way. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.